a fish that's learned to fly. I've always been a daughter, but feathers are meant for the sky. So I'm wishing further for the excitement to arrive. It's just I'd rather be causing the chaos than laying at the sharp end of this knife. With every small disaster, I'll let the water still take me away to some place real. 'Cause they say home is where your heart is set in stone. It's where you go when you're alone. It's where you go to rest your bones. So when I'm ready to be bolder, and my cuts I've healed with time, comfort will rest on my shoulder, and I'll bury my future behind. I'll always keep you with me. You'll be always on my mind. But there's a shining in the shadows I'll never know unless I try. With every small disaster, I'll let the water still